Just in case you hadn't noticed, computers continue to get smaller and smaller. First we had desktop computers, then we had laptop computers, but now laptop computers are considered big. Notebook computers are smaller than laptop computers, but notebook computers will soon be replaced by PDAs, personal digital assistants. And eventually, PDAs will be replaced by something that's as small as a wristwatch that we can wear on our wrist. But for now, let's discuss notebook computers, and we'll talk about the new features and the new challenges with notebook computers. So let's look at an overview of what we're going to cover. First, we're going to talk about power management. Then we'll discuss memory. We'll also talk about PC cards, and finally, notebook support. So let's look at power management first. A notebook can be powered by a battery pack or by an AC adapter that's connected to a power source. So the goal is to minimize the power consumption to increase time before the battery pack needs recharging. We do this using two services, hibernation and standby. Hibernation is saving the computer configuration and memory so that we can resume to that point when we start the computer again. This takes less power than booting the computer. So using hibernation saves on battery power. We can also use standby. Using standby, we can set the hard drive and the monitor of the computer to automatically shut down after a period of time. Maybe after 15 or 20 minutes, the screen of the notebook could shut off, or the hard drive could shut off. This is an intelligent power management so that if there's no activity on the notebook, if we walk away from it, it will automatically save its power resources. So power management is a technology that continues to evolve, and battery technologies continue to improve as well. Another technology that is different with notebook computers than with desktops is memory. Notebooks use SODIMMs, small outline DIMMs. This is a small memory module that's specifically designed for notebooks. It has 72 pins and it supports 32-bit data transfers. And if you're thinking that since it's smaller, it's probably less expensive, that's exactly the opposite of what's true. Notebook memory is typically much more expensive than desktop memory, because of the fact that it is smaller and because of the fact that less of it is produced. But it will probably come down in price as the popularity of notebooks increases. We can connect notebooks to other devices just like we do a desktop. And we'll discuss how we connect notebooks to peripheral devices in our next section.